Good afternoon, everyone. I will wait for 1 minute more, then I will start the class. So, in today's class, I will start with half adder circuit using CMOS logic as well as the full adder circuit using the CMOS logic. So, in your digital electronics class, you have already gone through the half adder and the full adder circuit. So, in case of half adder, what we have two input, and in case of output we have two output, one is my sum, another one is my carry. And in case of full adder circuit we have three input, that is my two input, as in means in case of full adder two half adder are connected, and for the second half adder the output, the input is another C in, means C input is another input, and likewise we have the output as in sum and carry. But in case of subtractor, if you remember, there were two things as an output. One is your subtractor में आपका आता था उसमें बोरो, एंड उसमें आता था उसका subtraction का जो था subtraction वो subtract value, एंड उसका आता था आपका दूसरा चीज आता था कौन सा. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So वहाँ पे था borrow, यहाँ पे है carry. So in your syllabus you only have the half adder using CMOS logic and the full adder using CMOS logic. So one by one I will proceed. First we will move on with your half adder circuit. So in case of half adder, what we can see there are two inputs A and B and two outputs sum and carry. Now, if I draw the truth table of the half adder circuit, so there are two inputs, so the input combination can be of four type: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, and 1 1, and two outputs are sum and carry. So if I add 0 to 0, what we will get? We will get 0. So there is no carry. So here it is 0. If we add 0 to 1, it will be 1 and there is no carry. In case of 1 and 0, same 1 and 0. But in case of 1 1, we know it is 1 0 1 0. So 1 has been taken as sum, and sorry, the 0 has been taken as sum, and the 1 will go to the carry. So this is the truth table of half adder circuit, right? So if I draw the diagram of the diagram of the half adder circuit, we know one XOR gate was there and the AND gate was there. So from this truth table we can draw the Boolean function. Boolean function. So the Boolean function of sum and carry will be like, so where it is 1 means जहाँ जहाँ पे इसका 1 है, यहाँ पे एक 1 है, यहाँ पे एक 1 है. So we will take the corresponding value, means 1 is here, so my sum will be a bar b. See, a bar b, and for next one it is 1 0, means it will be a b bar. A bar B and A B bar. So for this 2 1, we will get the output for sum, and for carry you will get only output for this one. So what it will be? It will be A and B, right? So this is the Boolean function of your sum, and this is the Boolean function for carry. So like in previous class I have already told, to design a CMOS logic, as because the CMOS logic is a complete inverter logic, so to get your desired output what you will need to do? In the input you need to give the inverted input, so you can get a desired output. Means पहले से आपको अगर उस जो आप आउटपुट में चाह रहे हो वही सेम आउटपुट आपको अगर चाहिए तो आप क्या करोगे, एज द CMOS इन्वर्टर गिव द इन्वर्टेड आउटपुट, व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल गिव एज इन इनपुट द इन्वर्टेड लॉजिक। इनपुट में अगर इन्वर्टेड आप दे रहे हो तो जब आपको उसका आउटपुट मिलेगा यू विल गेट योर डिजायर्ड आउटपुट, राइट। सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल टेक कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ द सम को अगर हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर देते तो क्या होता है, देखिए ये आ जाता है ए बार प्लस ए बी, मीन्स जोर जो है ए बार बी ए बी बार, ये एक्चुअली मेरा जोर का एक्सप्रेशन है। सो लास्ट क्लास में आपको बताए थे जोर को अगर हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं सो इट विल बिकम एक्स नॉट, right? So it's becoming actually XNOR logic. And for the carry, what we will do, we will put a complement over it. So here the De Morgan's theorem has been applied, so it will become A bar plus B bar. These are the properties of digital electronics, means De Morgan's theorem. So what we will do now, we will design our CMOS logic using this two Boolean function. So for the first one, my S bar equal to A bar B bar plus AB. So if we come to this part, see first A and B both are in AND connection. What I have already told, this will be in the pull-up network. The whole network will be divided into two parts. First one is a pull-up network, which will be designed by using PMOS, and the second one is a pull-down network, which will be designed by using NMOS, right? So for pull-up network, where there will be AND connection, means they are connected via AND gate. So what will happen? It will become in parallel. In pull-up network, AND connection will become parallel. So what will happen? A and B, A bar and B bar, both are in AND connection. These two will be connected in parallel connection. Here I have written A bar and B bar. And this A bar also in AND connection. In pull-up network, this also will be connected in parallel connection, A and B. Now, these two are connected via OR logic. Means this two will come under series connection. So this logic and this two logic is connected via series connection. Now if we will come to the pull down network, so what you will see A bar and B bar, these two are connected in series, and this AB connected in series, and both are in OR connection. In case of pull down network, OR will be connected in parallel. So these two are connected in parallel combination. This is the formation of CMOS logic of the sum. For sum, this is for sum. And for the output, what you are giving in input, you are giving in input as in S bar, means sum bar. To get S, you are giving S bar as in input. As you are giving S bar as in input, as we get the complemented output for the CMOS logic, you will get S from this. So at the output, you will get sum. मैं इसको डिफाइन करूंगी एक लॉजिक समझा के, उससे पहले कैरी को आप थोड़ा अगर देख लेते हो, कैरी पे आ जाओ। कैरी पे देखो, कैरी पे क्या हो रहा है, कैरी के लिए कैरी का लॉजिक क्या था, C इक्वल टू A एंड B. सो दिस इज इन एंड कनेक्शन, A और B एंड कनेक्शन में है। अब इसको इस पे अगर हम डी मॉर्गन्स थ्योरम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, इसको कंप्लीमेंट करने के बाद, सो इट विल बिकम A बार प्लस B बार. So these two are in OR connection. OR connection in pull-up network will become in series. So A bar and B bar both are in series connection. And in case of pull-down network, A bar and B bar both are in parallel connection, right? So this is the logic or the CMOS representation of carry. So here see, for the output you will get only C. In input you are giving C bar, for the output you are getting C. So the logic of complementing the Boolean expression, because in case of CMOS logic we will always get the complemented output. आप अगर input में C दे रहे हो, आपको input output में C ही चाहिए, right? You only get, if you want output as in C, what you have to do in case of CMOS logic, you have to give C bar as an input, as because the CMOS always invert the logic, right? So if I check this with the truth table of half adder, we can see it is similar to the truth table, means the sum output, it's giving the same output like the digital networks, means which has been designed via gates. So let's check for A0 and B0. So now if I take A0, if I take A0 and B my 0. So if A is 0, A will become 1 over here after A bar. So A bar will again become 0. So here it will be like same. So if A is 0, A will be 1, B is 0, B will be 1, right? Now see it from here. A bar, A is 0. A is 0 means it will become 1. Here it is 0, B is 0. It is also 1. Now see it from here. ये जो आउटपुट है मेरा, आउटपुट को VDD से डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन मिल रहा है? नहीं मिल रहा है. क्यों? क्यों? These two are 0. As these two are 0, these two are 1. Output is not directly connected to VDD to drag the voltage or the high power to its output. But in case of the pull down network, you can see the path has been established from A bar and B bar. So the output will be connected to ground. So the output is pulled towards ground. So you will get 0 as in here. Next, if it is A equal to 0, B equal to 1. A equal to 0 and my B equal to 1. So my if B is equal to 1, it will become 0 over here and then it will become 1 over here. A 0 से same ही होगा, A 0 पे same ही होगा. B is my 1, so it will become 0 over here. Right? Now for this part, A is 0. A is 0 means it will become 1. Right? And here it will become 1. A is 0, sorry. A is 0, 0. B is 1. Right? B will be 1. Here also what happened? Here it will be like B is equal to 0 and B will be 1. 1 means it will be 0. Right? So now you can see it from here. In case of pull-up network, now first come to the pull-down network. In case of pull-down network, it is 1 0 0 1. So एक है ऑन दूसरा है ऑफ, एक है ऑन दूसरा है ऑफ एंड बोथ आर इन सीरीज कनेक्शन. सो आउटपुट के साथ ग्राउंड का कोई डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन एस्टेब्लिश नहीं हो रहा है. बट इन केस ऑफ पुल अप नेटवर्क यू कैन सी द कनेक्शन हाउ इट हैज बीन एस्टेब्लिश फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट coming to this, from here it is connected to output. So the connection has been established by B bar A to output. So here you will get output as in 1, as because it is connected to VDD or the high voltage source. Same if I take 1 0, A equal to 1, B equal to 0. So now my A equal to 1 and B equal to 0. So B equal to 0 means it will become 1, again it will become 0. And here it is 1, it will be 0, here it will be 1, right? For the next part, A is my 1, A1 means it will become 0. B is 0, it will become 1. And here, if you can see, A is 1, it will become 0. B is 0, it will become 1. A is 1, it will become 1 only. B is 0, it will become 0 only. So for this logic also you can see my A and this two are in series, whereas one is in off condition, the second transistor is in on condition. So a direct path cannot be established to the ground from the output. Means output के साथ ground का एक connection नहीं बन रहा है. But in case of the pull-up network, you can see the VDD connection has been established via this path, as because this is 1, it will come from this part. From this, it will go to the output. So via A bar and B, it will go to the output. So my final output will be 1. And for the last case, it is 1 1. 1 1 means A and B both are as in 1. ये भी 1 है, ये भी 1 है, right? Both are 1 means both are 0. And for the uppercase, B is 1, it will become 0. A is 1, it will become 0. So A is 1, it will become 0, it will become 1, and here it will become again 1. So here these two transistors are in on condition, but these two are in off condition. So output cannot be established, means output cannot be dragged from VDD. So if we come to that pull down network, you can see these two are off, but these two are on. So output will be connected from ground like this. So it will become 0. So this particular CMOS logic is following the truth table of half adder sum logic, and hence this is called the CMOS logic for sum of half adder. This is CMOS logic for sum of half adder. Now we will come to the carry part. In case of carry part, you can see we have drawn this from the Boolean function. And if you compare this logic, मैं दो समझा देती हूँ आपको, automatically others will be same. For A0 and B0, if both are 0, both will get, if A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, here it will be 1, here again it will be 0. And here A bar means 1 and it will become 1. So output will be connected to ground. Here it is 0. And for A equal to 0, B equal to 1, if my A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, A0 means it will be 0, B1 means it will be 1. And A0 means it will be 1 and B0, B1 it will be 0. So what will happen? See, here it is 0, here it is 1. VDD cannot be connected to output. So the output is connected from this path. So what will happen? So my output will be 0. See, same. And for the second also, you will get same logic. And for 1, 1, check it for 1, 1. See, if my A is 1 and B is also 1, 1 will become 0 over here, 1 will become 0 over here. It will again be 1 and 1. And for the last one, 1 will become 0 and 1 will become 0. So my output is connected to VDD via A bar and B bar, this path. So it will become 1. So this is my CMOS logic for carry for half adder. So if you have been asked to draw the half adder using CMOS logic, what we have to do? You have to first draw the truth table of half adder circuit. From the truth table, you will automatically get the Boolean function of it. So for Boolean function, what you have to do? You have to invert the Boolean function logic. Means you have to complement the Boolean function logic to make the proper input of your CMOS logic, right? आप उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हो, कॉम्प्लीमेंट करने के बाद क्या, ये आपका जो बूलियन फंक्शन है, दिस इज रेडी टू ड्रॉ योर CMOS लॉजिक. सो फॉर from this Boolean function, complemented Boolean function of sum, you will draw the CMOS logic using pull up and pull down network for the sum, and likewise taking the complement of the carry, you will design the half adder carry circuit using pull up and pull down network. So this is the full concept of half adder using CMOS logic. Anyone have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now I will design the full adder circuit using CMOS logic. So in case of full adder circuit, two half adder circuit are connected to each other. If you take this as a half adder, this one is a half adder circuit, A, B as an input. This is S1 means sum 1, and C in, which is given to half adder input. This is sum. So for this is my C1. This is C2. If both are NOR, then we'll get carry. So one half adder, another half adder, one have the input as in AB and the second one have the input as in sum of the previous one and the C in input, and for the carry, both the carries are connected to a OR gate to our final carry. So if I draw the truth table first, फर्स्ट ट्रूथ टेबल को ड्रॉ करते हैं, इनपुट कितना है मेरा, 3 इनपुट है A, B and C in, right? So this 3 can be of 8 combination, means 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1, right? So output can be of sum and carry. So sum 0, carry 0. Sum 1, carry 0. Here it is sum 1, carry 0. Here see, it is 0, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means it is 1, 0. Sum will be 0, carry will be 1. Again, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 1, 0 and 1. 1 plus 1, 0 and 1. And in case of 1 plus 1, it will be 1 0, and 1 0 plus 1, it will be 1 1. So sum is also 1, carry is also 1. So this is the truth table of your full adder circuit. So from the truth table, what we will do, we will first design the बूलियन फंक्शन आउट ऑफ इट, क्योंकि बूलियन फंक्शन जब तक हम डिजाइन नहीं करेंगे या फिर बूलियन फंक्शन ट्रूथ टेबल से हम डिजाइन नहीं करेंगे, तब तक हम लोगों को सीमॉस लॉजिक डिजाइन करने का वो पाथ नहीं मिलेगा। क्योंकि जब तक आप बूलियन फंक्शन नहीं निकालोगे, बूलियन फंक्शन को जब आप कंप्लीमेंट करोगे, यू विल गेट द इनपुट लॉजिक फॉर योर सीमॉस। सो फर्स्ट what you will do, you need to draw the boolean function logic out of this truth table. So now we will determine the boolean function. boolean function कौन से दो इक्वेशन के लिए होगा, एक होगा सम के लिए, दूसरा होगा कैरी के लिए। So first we will come to the sum. सम के लिए क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट आप लोग कार्नो मैप किए होंगे डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट पे। What we will do, we will use Carnot map logic to design or to determine the Boolean function. So here it is 3 input. 3 input means, इसको एक बार recapitulate कर लेते, input 3, hence it will be a K map of 2 to the power 3 means 8 cell. As it is a 3 input logic, the Carnot map will be of 8 cell. So how it will be like? Let us design first for sum. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So अभी हम क्या चेक करेंगे, जहां जहां पे मेरा 1 है, कार्नो मैप पे वहां 1 लिखेंगे। इसको अगर डेसिमल के तरीके से साइड बाय साइड लिखे, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So what you will see, this is 0 0 0. In case of 0 0 0, you have 0, right? Now for 0 0 1, you have 1. 0 0 1, you have 1. Next, for 0 1 0, you have 1. 0 0 1 0, you have 1. Next, 0 1 1 means 0 1 1, you have 0. Next आ जाइए 1 0 0, 1 0 0 पे this is 1. Next 1 0 1, it is 0. Next 1 1 0, 1 1 0, it is 0. And for 1 1 1, it is 1. So this is the Carnot map of K map of sum of full adder. सिर्फ सम के एक्सप्रेशन का ये Carnot map है. So now what we will do, we will determine the Boolean function. So if I write S equal to, now in case of Carnot हम लोग क्या करते थे, हम pairing करते थे. But here what you can see, this one, this one, this one, and this one, these four are individual. This cannot be paired up. So what we will do, we will write the simple logic out of it. Means this is one, we will simply write down the equation for it. So it will be like A B bar C in bar plus A bar B bar C in plus A B C in plus A bar B C in bar. See, A B bar C in bar. A B, because here it is 1, A is 1, B and C both are 0, both are complemented. For the next one, A and C in, right, A and B both are complemented. A and B both are complemented. C in is only 1. For the third one, A is 1. A is written. Both are 1. B and C in. And for the last one, see, A is 0. It is barred. And again, B is 1. B is kept. And again, C in is 0. It is barred. So this is the sum expression of the full adder circuit. So next we will design the carry of the full adder circuit. So let us design for the carry also. Now for carry, again we will draw the same Carnot map. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 and 1, A B C in. Now if you check it from here, so कहाँ पे मेरा 1 है, 0 1 1 पे, 0 1 1 पे 1 है. Next 1 0 1 पे, 1 0 1 पे 1 है. Next 1 1 0 पे, 1 1 0 पे, यहाँ पे 1 है. Next 1 1 1 पे 1 है, 1 1 1 पे 1 है. And for the rest it is 0. So now what we will do, we will write the carry output from it. So for the carry output, you can see here the 1 can be paired up, like this one can be paired, this one can be paired, and this 2 also can be paired. So my final output will be BC in plus AC in plus AB. Right? मीन्स ये दोनों को अगर हम लेते हैं, इस दोनों में क्या है, A है, और which is my A के साथ कौन सा वाला है, C in, AC in. And for this two, it's coming like A and B. And for this two, it's coming like my B and C in. So this is the function for my carry. So now what we will do, first हम क्या बोले थे, जो मेरा to design a CMOS logic, first what we have to do, we have to take complement of it. Now this step to complement the sum and carry. Sum and carry को हम लोग complement करेंगे. First let us take the equation of sum. S is equal to A B bar C in bar plus A bar B bar C in plus A B C in plus A bar B C in bar. So इसको अगर हम complement करते हैं, so what it will become, A bar B bar, sorry, A B bar C in bar into A bar B bar C in into A B C in into A bar B C in bar whole bar. This what has we have applied De Morgan's theorem. डी मॉर्गन्स थ्योरम पे बेसिकली क्या होता है, अगर आप कंप्लीमेंट करते हो और उसके अंदर प्लस रहता है, एंड रहने से और हो जाएगा और रहने से एंड हो जाएगा. Logic gets basically inverted after using a De Morgan's theorem. So now you can see from this again we find again इस पे अगर हम फिर से De Morgan's अप्लाई करते हैं, A plus B plus C in into A plus B plus C in into A bar plus B bar plus C in into A plus B bar plus C in. So ये जो बार बार है, डबल बार से बार एलिमिनेट हो रहा है. जैसे मानिए एक जीरो है, एक नॉट गेट है, वन हो रहा है, वन को फिर से नॉट करने से जीरो हो जाएगा. सो दिस आर बोथ डबल कॉम्प्लीमेंट से चीज क्या उसके ऊपर बार हट जाएगा. The same thing is happening here. So this is the final output of your sum bar, right? So from this, what we will do? We will draw the CMOS logic of it. CMOS logic हम कैसे डिजाइन कर सकते हैं? यहाँ से इसका CMOS logic डिजाइन कर लेते हैं. देखिए पहले क्या है, A plus B plus C in. So if you draw the pull up network first, so A bar B C in, A B C in bar. Next A bar B bar C in. Last is my A B bar C in. This is my VDD. Here is my output. Output means sum. So for the pull down network, what it will be like? तो छोटा करके ड्रॉ करते हैं. A bar B C in, A B C in, A bar B bar C in. Last one is my A B bar and C in. यहाँ पे जो पैरेलल सीरीज कनेक्शन में है, सेम चीज यहाँ पे पैरेलली कनेक्टेड है. दिस इज इन और कनेक्शन A B एंड C इन. ये जो तीन है, ये देखिए यहाँ पे सीरीज पे है पुल डाउन नेटवर्क पे. दिस सेम फंक, इसको अगर पूरा उठा के आप पुल डाउन पे नेटवर्क पे आते हो, ये तीन मेरा पैरेलल कनेक्शन पे है, राइट? सो व्हाट आई हैव डन, दिस फोर्थ पार्ट आज कनेक्टेड बाय एंड लॉजिक, और एंड लॉजिक पुल अप नेटवर्क पे क्या है, एक दूसरे के साथ पैरेलल कनेक्शन में है. एंड इन केस ऑफ पुल डाउन नेटवर्क, these connections are connected in series. So this is CMOS logic for sum of full adder circuit. ये जो है, ये है आपका CMOS logic of for the sum of full adder circuit. Now what we will do, we will design it for the carry also. So if I take it for carry, कैरी पे क्या था, माई C was equal to B C in plus AC in plus AB, right? So now what will happen? We will complement both sides. So it will become B C in bar into A C in bar into AB whole bar. Sorry. Now it will be like A bar plus C in bar, ये बार यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं, into B A bar into B bar प्लस ये अगर यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं तो नेक्स्ट B bar plus C in bar. इसको complement finally C bar will be like this using De Morgan's theorem. So now what we will do? We will design the CMOS logic from this. CMOS logic इसका क्या होगा? CMOS logic पे आप देखिएगा तो यहाँ पे मेरा है दो अलग अलग. First, what we will do? The CMOS logic. This is my VDD. This is A bar, B bar, A bar, C in bar, B bar, C in bar. A bar, B bar, A bar, C in bar, B bar, C in bar. It's connected to ground. This is my output. This is carry. So this is my CMOS logic using CMOS logic of carry for full adder circuit. So now if you check the truth table of this, means the truth table of full adder circuit, एक एक लॉजिक करके आप कहीं पे भी चेक करोगे इस लॉजिक पे या तो फिर आपके इस लॉजिक पे, you will automatically get the output, the same output like sum and carry. So this is the representation of CMOS logic using full adder circuit. किसी को कुछ भी डाउट है तो पूछो. Anyone have any doubt regarding full adder and half adder circuit using CMOS logic?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So tomorrow we have class now from 9:30. Next class कब है? Tomorrow है ना 9:30 से? Hello.
मैम 9:30 से अमृता मैम का है.
9:30 से अमृता मैम का है ना? मैम तो
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
ले
मैम
पाएंगे.
आपका 11:10 से है.
11:10 से है तो देखते हैं. देखिए अगर 9:30 से तो अमृता मैम का तो क्लास भी नहीं हो रहा है ना अभी.
No, ma'am.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैम भी सेम काम में भी बिजी है, कॉलेज का कुछ काम आया था तो कल 9:30 से जो क्लास है 9:30 से 10 उसके बाद किनका क्लास है? 10 के बाद बीच में किनका क्लास है? मेरे क्लास के पहले किनका क्लास है? मतलब कौन से सर का क्लास है, मैम का क्लास है?
अमृता मैम का 2 क्लास है, 9:30 से 11:10 तक.
ओके, तो एक काम करते हैं, मैम का तो क्लास नहीं होगा उस टाइम पे, कल हम क्लास ले लेंगे, उसमें आपका ट्रांसमिशन गेट शुरू कर देंगे, ठीक है। मैम का क्लास नहीं होगा तो उस टाइम पे हम क्लास ले लेंगे कल 9:30 से, राइट। सो आज का क्लास यहीं पे एंड करते हैं, क्योंकि ट्रांसमिशन गेट कल शुरू करेंगे, वो पूरा अलग लॉजिक है, बट सीमॉस लॉजिक के साथ जो डिजाइन है वो यहीं पे खत्म होता है आपका सिलेबस का। वो जितना हम गेट करवाए, एंड और नॉट, नैंड नॉर, उसके बाद जॉर हो गया आपका, एक्स नॉर हो गया, ये सब गेट है यूजिंग सीमॉस लॉजिक। एंड आपका आता है फुल एडर एंड हाफ एडर लॉजिक यूजिंग सीमॉस। दिस आर completed in your syllabus. From the next class, we will start with your transmission gate and pass logic. Okay? So thank you everyone.